What's going on, everyone? We got a 2023 Hyundai Tucson, and we're going to pull out the battery in the remote key fob here. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom. There's a button right here on the back that we're going to push, and then we can pull the emergency key right out. All right. So what you're going to want to do now is when we flip this thing over like this, you have the slot for the emergency key, and there's another slot here. You can use a flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and go in this way, and you should be able to see that there's like another little slot in here that we're just going to put the screwdriver in, and we're going to wedge this up. And this actually this cover, okay? And you can see here's the battery here, and it just slides right out. You use the screwdriver to push it out the rest of the way. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032, and the positive sign, the little positive sign, is going to be facing out towards us. It slides back in here. There's a positive sign right here on the remote itself. Okay, if you need a battery, check the description box, and I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon. Or you get a new battery if you need one. You just get the back cover, stick it on here, snap it on there, and pretty much you're all done. Emergency key goes back in. And that's it. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me.